In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to randomize Google Forms questions and answers. Randomizing is great for reducing bias and discouraging answer sharing, especially in quizzes, training checks, or large surveys. It keeps things fair while still letting you measure what matters. Start by opening your form in Google Forms from your Drive or directly at the Forms homepage. Make sure you are working in edit mode so you see the controls across the top. Now look toward the top center of the screen and click the Settings tab. This is where Google Forms collects all the options that affect how your form behaves for respondents. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Presentation. If it's collapsed, click the small drop-down arrow to expand it. Presentation controls what participants see and how the form flows as they move through it. Within this section, turn on the setting called Shuffle Question Order. As soon as you enable it, your form will present questions in a randomized order to each respondent. A few quick notes so you know what to expect. Shuffling question order changes the sequence for people filling out the form. It does not rearrange anything in your editor view. To preview the experience, click the eye icon at the top to open the form as a participant. Refresh that preview a few times and you'll notice the order vary from load to load. If your form uses multiple sections, questions are shuffled within their sections, while the section order itself stays the same. Titles, descriptions, and images remain exactly where you placed them. If you also want the answer choices inside a question to appear in random order, that control lives at the question level. Open a multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop-down question, and look for the option labeled Shuffle Option Order in the questions menu. Use it thoughtfully. Items like all of the above or none of the above can become confusing when shuffled. So consider rephrasing or avoiding those options. A couple of practical tips before you share your form widely. If you rely on instructions that reference the next question or question 3, adjust the wording so it still makes sense when the order changes. And if you use branching or go to section based on answer, double-check your logic in preview to ensure the path still works as intended with shuffled questions. Once shuffle question order is on, your form is set. Every new respondent will see a different sequence, helping you collect cleaner, more reliable data. Thanks for watching.